Indices and logarithms. A logarithm is just another way of looking at an index. So when we have 5 to the power 4, the 5 here we know is referred to as the base. The 4 has various names. You'll be familiar with index and power, possibly less familiar with exponent, but it can also be known as a logarithm. So logarithm is just another word for index. However, when talking about logarithms, we are usually saying this is the number to which this base needs to be raised to get this result. To illustrate this, consider a fact that we all know written in index form. So we all know that 10 squared is equal to 100. Now consider some terminology. On the left-hand side of the equation above, or actually this equation just here, 10 is the base and 2 is the power, or index or exponent. And of course 10 to the power 2 is 100. In logarithmic form, this may be written as log to the base 10 of 100 is 2. So this looks at the same thing in a different way. The logarithm is said to be a base 10 logarithm, often just written as log without the 10 or LG. What this says is that if I am working in base 10, then the power that I need to raise the 10 to in order to get 100 is 2. So 10 squared is 100. If I'm in base 10 and I want to get 100, I need to use a power of 2. And that's what a logarithm is. 2 is known as the logarithm, so logarithm is just another word for power, as I've said before. In general, if a to the power x is equal to b, then log to the base a of b is equal to x. In other words, working in base a, if we want to get b, we need to raise a to the power x, as we can see in exponential form just here. Now, here this is expressed in algebra, so what I normally do is just remember the 10 squared equals 100 case and then substitute the letters in.